Hello, hello guys, hello. Alam mo ba yung kalukuhan ko? Ito, nang trip na naman ako. Pumunta ako sa dating site kagabi. Tapos, ito, there's a lot of questions there that I feel like I have exam, there's a lot of questions. I think, how many questions is that? Maybe 90 or 100. I cannot remember. I finished all of that. But suddenly, the ending is, oh, there's a payment that I'm not ready. I said, no, 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 no. I don't want to pay. Men only can pay that, not a girls. Okay, and then, I'm that side that I choose that man with, the bodybuilders. I imagine, how can I imagine the biggest body of person, right? And then now when I woke up, I feel like, oh, it's crazy. Now, what's gonna happen if you find a husband there, right? And he have a big body, and then if you fight together with him, he will throw you away or broke your bones. Oh my goodness, it sounds. Oh my God, it's scary, honest. I feel like, oh my God, I don't want. No, 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 no. Yun lang guys, hininto ko lang. Paano kapag nagkaroon ka ng husband na gano'n, bodybuilders, tapos lasinggero, lahat ng mga kaunga-ungaan nasa kanya, yung, alam mo yung bad boy ang dating. Tapos tuwing away mo, may black eye ka, oh my goodness, it's it's the worst. Oh my goodness. Ayun lang guys, bye!